What's up, guys? A very short update on the price of Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have our plan developing quite nicely. So after the price reached 76,500, we see the pullback, and a pullback has a certain structure. Again, on the daily time frame, it was associated, or at least happened together with bullish divergence. So the lows were going down in the price chart, and the indicators, we see the lows are going up. Daily time frame, it's a very strong in terms of the divergences playing out. And currently, again, this pullback is having a kind of a structure of a reversal, at least potential reversal. So we're having a bit of a resistance right here, but the setup, like a pattern, is almost similar to inverse head and shoulders, which potentially could lead us at least to $86,000, but maybe to this like a central middle line of this triangle, which is about 88. And if we go there, every new move would basically serve as the confirmation for the fact that indeed we ended up with this correction, and now the next trend is to the upside. Of course, I'm still not 100% sure that it is the end of this drop because you see, there was not so much of the fight here, and also very similar patterns like this was before, and even with this engulfing candle up to the resistance at 95,000. So after that, we see the lower low, right? Although the lower low is not so deep, and normally that happens when the market just collects some liquidity, hunts for the liquidity. That is the, see, like I drew you a cherry right here. So it's basically the very normal situation. So I would still vote for the price going up from here, given all the conditions which I just mentioned. And by the way, don't forget, once again, the weekly time frame. The oscillators on the weekly time frame are very, very low, and that is normally the point of the reversal from the bearish to bullish trend. Finally, another thing is that we have the altcoins. If we look at the dominance chart, altcoins are kind of at very low. Of course, the low capitalization altcoins are even lower, higher capitalization altcoins are not that bad, but the dominance chart is about 60 to 62%, and actually it's like testing 62% so many times, meaning that we're trying to go here, right? And that normally happens before the sharp moves in price of BTC. I tend to think that would be a price to the upside, but of course it could be downside. However, that is together with the fact that we are having this reversal, sort of reversal setup, makes me think that, and we are actually after the acceleration of the drop, I think it's more likely that the price will go up and dominance will be up as well, and altcoins will just depreciate with respect to BTC. That is another kind of a piece of a puzzle here. But I would also say that S&P 500 also being very low recently, but it didn't really show much of reversal signs at the moment. However, the mere fact that it is so low, I would expect that this is just it's just good enough to at least have some kind of a pullback, maybe even much stronger than some people would expect. And again, Bitcoin may be just serving as the indicator, like a timeless indicator, or faster than the normal ones with respect to the stocks price moves, right? Sometimes Bitcoin move before or faster than S&P 500. Therefore, we can see that equities will just follow Bitcoin or follow crypto a little bit later. So maybe it is the case. Maybe at least it smells like that. At least there is a high chance. There is a setup for this. So again, I think everything goes according to the plan. I'm not removing my long limit orders at this area though, because actually I decreased it a little bit, because if we see even like another shakeout of the liquidity of stop orders here, maybe we'll have the double divergence, bullish divergence with the price even lower. That is very, very possible. If that happens, then I would be ready with my limit long orders on the spot of Bitcoin from there. I hope the price will go much higher, and that would be a very nice appreciation of those positions. Okay, guys, I think that we are pretty good here. We are pretty in a nice shape in terms of the expectation and future price move, and the things go according to the plan. Tomorrow I will make another update, and for today that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great night. Goodbye.